we tend to, in this culture, we love something and then we never go back and say, well, did we still love it? So tell me about your Lomi. Are you still using the Lomi? Do you still love your Lomi?
I love my Lomi. It is.
You still,
It
a
has.
year later.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so every piece of kitchen scrap is disappearing into that thing. It doesn't do avocado pits, so oops, sorry about that. But no chicken bones. But everything else, little bits of steak, even cheese, old pizza, vegetables, all the things, coffee grounds go into this thing, and the next morning you wake up and you have this tiny little bit of what looks like double shredded hardwood bark mulch. It's crazy and easy. It has been banished to the terrace. It was in the laundry room, and my roommate had a deal with that. And I thought, oh, well, let's just put it outside. I might banish it to the downstairs garage. No fruit flies, no issues, but a kind of a humusy, moist humidity sort of smell as it's cooking. And he didn't like that. So
This is the roommate you're currently married to.
that guy, that wonderful guy. And I don't blame him. I mean, I don't like the smell of his golf shoes either. So he puts those someplace separate for me.
I may have to investigate this, Lomi, because I had a chicken massacre, as you know, a couple months ago. And until the spring, we have no instant eating all of our scraps. And I have a compost pile that I use in the garden, but when I dig those scraps deep into it, I just can't be bothered to put anything more than just a pile there. And so the dogs are just so interested in it. And I was thinking the other day, because what's happening is I'm leaving these things in my compost bucket. I've got 2 in my kitchen. And they're just staying there a little long because I just don't want to go to the trouble of digging them in, like really digging them in the way I have to. And it was just so easy to send them to my chickens. So, Lomi could be in my future.